Gina with WTI. I'm a gal who's always on the go with my laptop, and I have just been loving using this Nobleman backpack to carry it around. I really like the design with the open zippers because a lot of times zippers will get stuck with a flap that covers it, and that totally eliminates that problem. Plus, I think it just looks really stylish. I have a 15.6-inch laptop, and this fits so nicely and securely. I just love how well padded it is. I have total peace of mind that even if I was to drop this backpack, it would definitely still protect my laptop. I love that this is more than just a laptop backpack. I'm able to fit in the base for my computer so that it doesn't overheat, the cord that the computer comes with. I can even fit in a change of clothes, including an extra pair of shoes, snacks, and books. This is a really comfortable backpack, and I appreciate that it has the option to have a chest strap as well because, again, you can pack a lot into this bag, and I hate it when you get back strain from carrying around a bunch of books and your laptop, so this really helps to take the pressure off of that and still be able to be comfortable and carry what you need. I love that the backpack is fully lined in every single pocket, it's well made, and the straps are cushioned and comfortable. This is one of my favorite colors. It's aqua with beige accents, but Nobleman has a lot of other colors and styles, so you're sure to find one that is going to meet your likes. I'm really impressed with how much this backpack holds, how I can stay comfortable while I'm using it, and I just think it's really well made and super cute, and that's my point of view.